Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the phone with the back cover facing down and turn on the mobile phone heating option. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat evenly around the edges. Avoid overheating as it can damage the back cover or internal components. Once the adhesive is softened, use a suction cup at the bottom edge to create a small gap. Insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and gently slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Take your time during this step and avoid pushing too deep. Use just the tip of the tool. Once the adhesive is fully separated, carefully lift and remove the back cover. Next, disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. And then undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Also, make sure the SIM tray is out. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create a small gap and start separating the mid frame. Work gently around the edges to release the plastic clips. This step takes time. Be patient and carefully lift the mid frame away from the body. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the folded rear cameras from the body. First, disconnect and remove the not working macro camera. Next, place and secure the new macro camera to the logic board. To access the main rear cameras, you'll need to either remove or lift the logic board. First, disconnect the main flex plugs and undo the screw holding the board. And then gently flip the logic board. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working ultra wide and wide cameras from the board. Next, secure the new wide and ultra wide cameras to the board. Next, align the logic board on the frame and secure the board by adding the screw. And then secure the main flex plug to the logic board. And also verify the antenna cable is running through the frame. Next, secure the battery connector plug. Next, align the mid frame. Then reconnect the fingerprint sensor and insert the SIM tray. Press the frame into place, ensuring all clips are properly seated. Then secure it by adding 15 screws. Next, before installing the back cover, check the adhesive. If needed, apply new adhesive or use B7000 glue. Finally, place the back cover and secure it with bonding clips. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.